Actually, according to me, feedback from the common citizen is necessary for any law. Unfortunately, in this country, it does not happen. After all, what is parliament? Parliament is a place where representatives of people come and debate about what needs to be done for the common good of the country. Now, in a situation like this, uh, technically it should have been sufficient for Parliament to do it. But in view of the sensitive nature of the entire subject and the fact that it is going to interact with every citizen in his or her walk of life, all walks of life, it's necessary that the citizens know what it is. Particularly when there is a lot of misgivings in the minds of citizens. For example, Aadhaar has given rise to all kinds of questions. People have, part of it is misgiving, part of it is misinformation. Therefore, it is necessary to have a dialogue with people and then get their inputs before you take a common platform or you take a consensus on what needs to be done. I do not know when you talk. I do not know whether you're talking in terms of law or generally. If it is generally, I say yes. An Indian woman would not walk on the streets in bikini, whereas if you go to Miami, in Miami, I was the only one who was fully clad on the sorry, not in Miami, in Hawaii beach. So if that is the concept of privacy, yes, it is different. But when it comes to in legal terms, it does not, because our Supreme Court has gone to the extreme and said that it is a fundamental right granted to the guaranteed to the citizen under the Constitution and flows from Article 21. To that extent, no other country in the world has done this. They have not raised it to a fundamental right. They have said, yes, you have a right, it is protected. Whereas we have said it is a fundamental right. The distinction being this: if it's a fundamental right, you cannot abridge it in any manner except as contemplated by the Constitution. That is a guarantee. So it is different in that sense. Oh, my experience was exceedingly good. I'm happy that people debate nuances of technology. Technology basically is agnostic. It doesn't bother whether you derive good out of it or bad out of it. It's the humans who are either good or bad, and depending their point of view, depending on how they want to utilize it, they utilize technology. Take nuclear technology. Nuclear technology has produced so many good things for the world, has improved the humankind across the world. It has also devastated humankind, right from the time we saw Nagasaki and Hiroshima being bombed till the Fukushima consequence of nuclear leakage. So this kind of a debate helps in identifying what is good about technology, what is bad about technology. Not because technology is inherently good or bad, about how it can produce bad results, how we can produce good results. I'm happy that I was given opportunity of participating in this debate on data protection. Thank you.